Hey everybody, Jeff Tackney, Team Tackney GMT Real Estate. And where am I at today, you may ask? Today, I'm in beautiful Torrance, California, and here at 21337 Payne Street here in Torrance. Can't wait to show you this home. This home has been loved by the same family for generations. First time in the market. Can't wait to show you inside. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, beautiful backyard, spacious bedrooms. It's awesome. Come on in. So here I'm at the original door, this beautiful colored leaded glass. And what is this, you may ask? This is the integrated doorbell. Pretty cool, eh? So here we are in the living room, and I just can tell that this living room has held a lot of family events through the years. You got this beautiful brickwork, this raised elevated hearth, perfect for a family gathering.
There's just something about you.
So here I am in the kitchen, and you can see it's a galley kitchen. It does have granite countertops and these beautiful maple cabinets. And it does lead right directly into the indoor laundry, which is a bonus. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's home tour of 21337 Payne Street. Remember, for more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up, and you can subscribe down to our channel down below. And for a personal tour of this home, give us a call today. Bye for now.